going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another episode of Flipping Cars to the Top. In today's video, guys, we are back at Silver Lake. I have bought 3 more vehicles from Silver Lake, but I've got here quite late. As you can tell, I'll only be picking up one of them today. Stay tuned, the vehicle should be out any minute, so I'll continue the video when it gets out. Right, guys, here the car comes. Audi A1 2011. Hold on, we got a bit of a traffic hold up here, so let's see what's happening. Is he gonna wait? He's waiting. Okay, wait a minute. Right, guys, here we go. Audi A1. Brilliant.
Couldn't find it, mate.
Couldn't you?
Couldn't find it. All that's a little torch.
Is there?
Down up, down up.
Oh, man, sorry for coming so late, man.
And then I spotted it, and then I thought, let's get it down, get it up.
Yeah. Cheers for that, man. Thank you.
Sorry for the wait.
No. Right, guys, this is the car. 1 minute. Oh, sit back. Steering lock on. 1 minute, guys. Right, we have got power. Let's hear the start. Ignition on. Clutch in. Yeah. Pop the bonnet. There we go. Looks really clean in here, actually. Cooler. Let's try it off. Just check all the cooler and oil. Okay, sounds good. Sounds really good, actually. I'm surprised it started up, no oil at all in it, and she seemed fine. Let's just hope there's no head gas problems in this bad boy. That looks manky as hell. There's no oil at all in there. Looks alright. Okay, what else is on here? What do we have? Tires are all good. We definitely need oil. Oh, front tires flat. Okay, back tires are right. Let me just get my pump. Well, welcome to the next day of me going to pick up my cars. Unfortunately, yesterday the Audi A1 started it up and it just massive cloud of smoke come out the back. So I'm assuming that it could be turbo's gone. However, I did decide to leave the vehicle and I got charged for the release fees, which is a bit unfair because obviously I didn't know the car was smoking and they should have listed it. Never mind. Today we got back at Silver Lake to pick up the second vehicle, so have a look at this. Right, guys, this is the Porsche. I don't even know how to do these straps, so I'm going to be figuring that out. This is what the inside looks like. Quite nice. It stinks really bad. I mean, look at that steering wheel. That's some biohazard there. But I think the battery might be in the boot, so let's have a look with the it's got almost a full service history. Oh, it stinks so bad. Really bad in here. Stinks. But overall, quite a nice car. Quite a nice car overall. But yeah, I want to try starting up and see how she goes. Oh yes, we have got, get it, a Porsche. I would say 911 turbo, but unfortunately, well, I wouldn't say unfortunately, it's still a Porsche. Big boy. KNS. Looks really good, so have a look at that. Right, guys, we are back. It is the next morning, as you can tell, nice and early. Sorry about the noise in the back, we're just getting the wheels pumped up. Got back with the Porsche. Was an absolute nightmare driving this thing back. It weighs so much, but got back safe and sound, man. I worked my magic, did really well. First time pulling a trailer at this magnitude as well. This thing was massive, but somehow I did it. So as you can see, back again with the Porsche. Sorry I didn't do much of a video yesterday because it was really stinks really bad in here though. Yeah, it's like someone left the door open or something. Interior's mint though. I mean, look at that. It's got practically full service history. Last time it was serviced was about 10,000 miles ago. You know, that's the wheel for the van. Had a new tyre put in because of last time's incident. But she's a beauty, man. She is a beauty. Wheels are alright. I love it. Absolute beast, mate. Few little things need doing on it, but you cannot complain. So guys, let me get the car off the trailer. Once the car's off the trailer, we'll do first start up of the vehicle, because yesterday I got to Silver Lake really late. I had no time to try starting it because by the time I got there, they were showing early, so I literally had a few minutes to get the car on the trailer, loaded and head off. So we got back safe and sound, as you can see. Let me get the car off the trailer. We'll do our first start up. Alright guys, we are just getting these wheels pumped up. As you can see, I mean, look at them brakes. 6-part calipers, mate. Those are the things you see on McLaren. And you get this one pumped up as well. Well, we got 4-part in the back. Them calipers are mint as well. Look at the state of them. New discs, no lip on them. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Car's looking absolutely stunning, by the way. I will do a proper video of it sooner or later. Got my broski here. We just pumped up the wheels off the car and taken the straps off. I've just connected it to the little car there. We actually are going to see for the first time if this car actually starts and runs. Apparently this car here, it says it runs and drives, but we don't know. We've got this car for £1,000 as the car's not been used. Woo! Got a bit of smoke coming out of the exhaust, but that's normal for a V8 on first start up. Let that circulate, and yeah, let it all circulate, and I'll leave the lights off so we can just get that battery charging a little bit. Mind the book here, it does have service history as well, guys. As you can see, £1,000 for a Porsche. I mean, come on, mate, you just don't get with that. And it's got service history, as you can tell. It's got service history all the way up to, what do we have it up to? Let's see. All the way up to 91,000 in 2011. The car is only currently on, does it show? 110. Look at the steering wheel. This car was last used in lockdown, so 2021 MOT ran out and they didn't use it since. Can we have a look at, see the things there? Let's see if the suspension goes up and down. Height, that one there on towards me. Yeah, pull it down. Let's see, go all the way down. Again.
It's charging.
Let it charge. It says charging.
Pressure towards charging.
Okay, so it says it's charging up, so hopefully. Okay, cool. Alright, cool. So it says it's charging. We'll see. That's least of the worries. The most important thing is with the car like this is the car actually runs and drives. So that is the main thing. Right, we do have a head unit there. I will try plugging it in. I think they had a head unit and they took it out, but yeah, let's have a quick look. It's really nice, man. It is really nice. Give it a little tiny rev. Fucking hell. One more. One more. Woo! Hey, baby. Jeez. All right. Let's get these straps off and we'll unload her. She's a beauty. Oh my God, man. 1,000. Guys, have a look at this. Look at that. Listen to that. Oh my God. Listen to that engine. £1,000, man. This is a Porsche. Whether you like it or not, this is a Porsche. And I'll tell you what, these things have grown on me a lot since getting this car. £1,000 for a Porsche in this condition, HPR clear, service history, brakes don't even have a lip on them. This is stunning. I am going to get this car absolutely detailed. I've already got a buyer for it. This is my broski, messing around with the sunroof. What's in the glove? What's in that little thing on top? Press the button. Sometimes you get some nice glasses in there. No, nothing. Right, let's get unstrapped and take her for a little drive. When we got this, it did say it had a power steering failure. That was the problem listed with this car, was power steering failure. So Yeah, guys, it's fully spec'd out. We have got a lot of fuses in there for some reason. We've got four-wheel drive, we've got the suspension. This is K&S as well. We've got suspension for sport, normal, comfort. Check if the suspension can go down.
2 seconds.
Or push it up. Hold it, I think you hold it. Hold it down.
Not permissible.
Alright, we'll have to look into that.
Maybe because it's on.
Or maybe it's not level, yeah, true. Alright, let's get on, let's get a thing. One more. One more. Alright, let's get unloaded, bruv. It's getting dark now.